In this video, we're going to look at the administrative functions of the Dusk IOP. From the left menu, scroll down to Settings and across. We'll start by looking at System Settings. The first one in here is API Access. In here we have a published API that is available. Anyone with administrative access can go in here and create an OAuth client and also a token. This allows data to be accessed from the Dusk IOP. Returning to the Settings menu, we go back down to System Settings and to Login Settings. In here we can choose how our platform authenticates. There's also two-step authentication available in here. Microsoft Single Sign-On is also available. Back onto the Settings menu, down to System Settings and General. In the General setting here, we can integrate to other platforms that are available. The Dusk IOP has a number of connectors available out of the box. These include Jira, MyOp, Office 365, Salesforce, Slack, Xero, and also HubSpot. There's also the ability to configure file storage, so if you'd like to write your storage off to Dropbox, Amazon Web Services S3, or even to our own storage within Amazon also, we have that available. Your business details can be populated here, and these are used for things like quotes and invoices to populate that data. SMS templates can be set up in here and nominated, and there's a selection of templates available already that have been set up out of the box. Moving back over to the menu and down to System Settings again, we go to Customizations. Customizations is the place where you load your logo. These appear on things like quotes and invoices, and also on your reports in the Project Management module. Back on the Settings menu and down to System Settings, the final setting is Job Settings. We have explored this area in the Setting Up the Jobs video, but at a high level, there are 4 sections: the job associations, the job types, the job categories, and additional settings. Other information that might be useful in here are the tools with export and import. This is how you export your data and import it based on the role permission that you have to the platform. We also have com logs in here, which is all the audit trails of SMSs that are sent. And this is the administrative function of the Dusk IOP.